Awesome. Wasn't that easy? Brandon, you knew this, didn't you? So now you with me? Okay. What labels do you think I'm going to want to put here, Brandon? Yes, it is. Conversion cost. How do you calculate conversion cost? Do you remember? No, because we've already got direct materials. The other two. Direct labor. Plus. Mr. Montgomery, were you offering to help? You look like you raised your hand about. What is it? Direct material, direct labor plus manufacturing overheads. Write that down. Remember it. Oof. Okay, so we're going to calculate both of these. Okay, separately. Okay, we need to calculate both of those numbers, and then we'll add them up, and we will have that ending inventory value. Okay, Austin, you have any thoughts as to what we're going to do to calculate, say, that direct materials dollar amount? How many units are in ending? Let's talk about direct materials. How many units are in ending inventory with regard to direct materials? Precisely correct. 8,000. And you can pull that, be careful, we are pulling that number from, what I want you to do is pull that number from here. We've already done the math here. So let's use those numbers. Okay, we've already done the math. That's how many units are in ending inventory right there. So 8,000 for direct materials. How many units are in ending inventory for conversion costs, Jennifer? 4,000, okay. And so now to get these two numbers, what do we do with that 8,000? Let's talk just about the 8,000. Mr. McKee, what are we going to multiply that times? 50%. No. The 8,000 was already calculated by multiplying it times 100%. This is 8,000 times 100% equals 8,000. Okay, so that's already been done. What do we multiply 8,000 times? Very good start. Very good, but this is 8,000 what? What label would we use this? 8,000 units, precisely correct. So that dollar amount that we want is a dollar amount per unit. Do we have one of those on the board for direct materials? $4.15 million. Perfect. Perfect. See how easy that was? Wasn't that easy? Well, now it'll be easy the next time. Now it'll be easy the next time. Melissa, do you have that calculated? Not yet. Melissa, if you would calculate that, please. Ryan McMonagle, help me out with that 4,000. What are we going to multiply that 4,000 times?
Multiply that by 7.6393.
7.6393. Matt, Michael, do you have that calculated, or are you in process? Awesome. Dollars, Mr. Montgomery, or Mr. Michael? Okay. See how easy you can do that if you know how to do it in your head? Did I do it right? That's a nice to make sure I did it right. Did I do it right? You can't see that? So that's a good thing. Yeah, it's very good. Scott, is that right? Okay. Is the T account right, Ashton? Is the T account right? Anthony, is the T account right? Joe? To Anthony? Joe? Is the correct answer. Huh?
I don't think so.
She doesn't think so either. Why doesn't she think so? Why not?
Because it's not balanced.
It's not balanced. Does the sock fit the shoe, Anthony? Joe?
I didn't check.
And you've got a calculator sitting right there. Why did you not check?
I went on a room kind of right now.
Well, this isn't a room issue. This is a calculator. Is it? Well, sit up closer to the front. These are nice people up here. I think they're pretty nice people, you know. But it does not balance. It does not balance. And sorry, I wrote small to try and actually fit it all on the board. I do have issues with fitting it all on the board if I tried to write too big. It does not balance. Why not? Because of rounding. It's off by how much? $5.70. And it's off because of rounding. That's why the problem asked you to go out to 4 decimal places. More decimal places, less rounding, more close to being perfectly right and balanced. Questions, comments, concerns, random thoughts?
We hardly rounded at all, though.
What?
We hardly rounded at all more than $5. Honestly.
Yeah. Yep.
We ran into something kind of like that with the heat treat portion of the project.
You might. You might. You might. Well, this kind of got hard, didn't it, right toward the end? So when can you start studying for the exam? Right? Why wait for tonight? Right now you can start studying, okay? Do good.